the Kenya Bureau of Standards Dosimetry facility is the only facility in the East and Central Africa. This facility, we serve the whole of this region. We have 3 labs under dosimetry. The first one is diagnostic, then we have radiation protection, and finally we have therapy laboratory. Our first function is to realize the standard units of dosimetry. We measure dosimetry to the accurate levels. Then our second function is to calibrate equipment that uses or utilize radiation. If you have a client equipment like this one, we radiate our reference standard, radiate the client equipment. Then we take reading from outside. Then in ideal situation, we compare the 2 readings, our reference standard, the client equipment. In ideal situation, this should be the same. Then we do adjustment. We give it a factor to correct those readings. This process takes about 3 hours. We control the temperature, the pressure, and the humidity. Then we take readings through the camera. You can see one camera here, another one there. Then there's another one up there. The wall is thick enough to prevent radiation coming out from the process. So after this process, we give you a certificate. So a certificate indicates that your equipment, the client equipment, has been received to the laboratory. It has undergone all this process, and now it is fit for use. So the final thing that we do is we put a sticker. So the sticker is valid for 1 year. This sticker, for whoever is using this equipment, it tells you now the equipment is acceptable and it can be used. So we have several clients. For this particular place is for medical laboratories, medical hospitals that uses radiation. For industrial, we have several laboratories. It could be aviation industry, it could be manufacturing, it could be construction, it could be for security. For example, if you want to export an equipment or a luggage, it goes through a scanner. So the scanner checks what is inside. So those are some of the areas that we are interested. Modernization program of the hospitals. So we work very closely with them to check that all the facilities, the equipment that are receiving, have correct standard, correct value, and also working properly. So that's how we support the government Big 4 agenda in the health sector.